Well, welcome back. Tonight we're on a night run. We're using the old Dodge Dakota 5-speed here. We got to go pick the car up we bought. If you noticed a while back, you've been watching the channel for a while, we got Project Monty. Well, Monty is not running again. This time though, if you give Monty fuel, he will start. But if Monty has no fuel, it has no fire. And, well, the owner just, kind of lost love with it, and we decided, well, we're going to buy it, we're going to do what we need to do with it, and see if we can't find her a good home. Stay tuned, we're going to head out. Right now we got about a 25-mile drive, so that's about how it goes. Quarter mile, head up the hill. Hopefully Mr. Disney here will turn on his way. I hope he's not going to the airport. Yeah, the car died in Cheney, Washington. That's about 30 miles away from the shop, so that's okay. This is a mission. We got to get it tonight. There is no more wait. We've got to get it tonight. It must go.
Is this the Hooker Hotel?
Yes, it is. This is where you got Spokane's finest. All right, folks. We'll get you some shots as soon as we get there. That's hot. That's not hot.
Yeah, for this truck it is.
No, that's not hot. We had an OBD2, you probably see about 203 degrees. We actually had a lot of fun with this V6 Dakota. It surprised me all the things this thing has done for us. It still continues to do, by the way. All right, we got to get out the Cheney. Oh boy, do we need a third guy or what? We got her done though. Take it down the hill, goes right up, put it neutral, and back it up. Good to go. Yeah, Monty's got a fuel delivery problem. That's confirmed. It's not hydraulic, thermostat, it's none of that. Intake gaskets are good, but we got no fuel delivery. Although we have fuel pressure. So this one's going to be a fun one. We got to get it back to the shop though. Here's some light in the subject. Yeah, picked her up pretty cheap though. We can get her running, get her a good home. Might take a little bit though. She needs a little bit of work, and we're gonna do this one right like we do with every car we restore. And Oldsmobile, they don't make anymore, and this one's straight body. It's definitely worth doing work to and get her back out on the road, because that's what Keith and Kevin Repair and Restoration do every day. All right, you get this thing buttoned up, get on the road, get home. It's raining right now. Yeah, she's clean inside though, non-smoker. And it's going to remain that way, at least while it's in my possessions. Nice and clean, blue interior, AC blows cold, transmission rebuilt. She don't run though. 138,000 on the clock.
Is the e-brake off?
No.
Take it off.
All right. I was waiting for you to tell me, dude.
Just pull the car forward.
Push to release. Oh, I have to push release my foot. Whoa! Yeah, I think someday we're going to buy a tow truck if we're going to keep doing this kind of work.
See what happens. Is it rolling?
Not now.
Yeah, because I put something in front of the tire.
That was a little scary. Woohoo! That'll get your blood pumping. Now let's go check to see the other side's tight now, because that probably just messed my adjustment up. You don't want this sucker loose. It's a lot of car. You do not want to go flying. That's for sure, especially when you pay for it out of your own money.
How's that? I wrapped around the main frame and the...
Yep. Just gotta do the same on this side.
My truck squatting a little bit?
A
little bit.
Dude, all the weight's right over the axle. What little bit of tongue you need so rear tires don't jump up, especially when you're not supposed to be towing with this Dakota. Oh, she's gonna need a battery. Monty is sick again. Yeah, we still got a ways to go yet. Oh boy. Oh, I see how it's going to take us across the freeway. Basically, the freeway on-ramp we went over is the same one we're going to go back over. We're actually going to be right by Russ's house. Oh, that's great. Glad we did this at night. We kind of figured it was going to be a slow trip. Our heavy hauler right now has some transmission issues. And, well, we got to get that fixed before it costs me more money to fix. Right now, it might be looking just at a light rebuild and a valve body issue, but I keep trying to push it, and it's going to be a full hard part rebuild. We don't want that. There's Monty. A little heavy little bastard, ain't he? Yep. Nope. No cop, no stop. Alright, let's get this thing home. We gotta get Monty fixed up and find him a rightful owner who will appreciate his classic abilities. Said that couldn't be done with a V6. He's doing it all day long. You get to the bottom of this hill, you're pretty much going to want to give it almost full throttle as you start climbing up. You're going to lose that compression halfway up. That's towing with the stick.
Very well aware.
Alright.
Shit to the first speed and scroll.
Well, I hope second's enough. And second should be low enough to get enough speed before you climb it. The last thing you really want to be trying to do is grab a gear when you're almost right at the top. So a little bit more momentum on the bottom end will get you clear it. Take your gear, attack it, and go. You're gonna need it. Sketch!
Racing.
H Wheaties? That was fun.
Not for me, it wasn't. I was pushing almost 4 grand.
Yep, you didn't have to grab a gear though. She got a little warm. Turn the heater on.
It is, it's already on.
Yeah, she needs a radiator.
Oh, it was behind me.
That was fun. That was sketch. That's got a little hot.
It's not liking me too much right now.
Alright, we're going to get back to the shop. We're going to get Monty parked for the night. Here in the next couple of weeks, we're going to tear into Monty, figure out what's going on. We know it's not an intake. We got fuel pressure. We know we got spark, but we just have no fuel delivery. So that could be a couple things. It could be a PCM issue. It could be, you know, I mean, there's so many things with those 3.8s. I don't even want to speculate now until I can actually get some test equipment on it. But it's coming back to shop. It's our car now. We're going to fix her up. Him up. Monty. We agreed with the owner. We're going to keep the project the same name. So that's how it goes. You make car deals. But other than that, I'm gonna get Monty fixed, get Monty a new home. Monty's gonna be a happy guy when we're done. Figure this problem out.